Shana tova, Shana abaa. Happy New Year, Shana tova to all the kids of our kehillah. I took the time right before school started to think about what would you need, what would you find very enjoyable while at home, away from the screens. So in honor of the Shana Chadasha, of the new year, we handpicked special gifts for you and your siblings. As you can see behind me, there are different types of gifts. There are gifts that mostly hands-on games for various ages. So the first age group is 3 to 5, the second is 6 to 8, and the third, which represents our older group, it's about 9 to 12, the pre-middle school and middle school students. There are fidgets here, there are puzzles, a lot of stickers, erasable pens, and emotions cards. And those of you who are learning about fractions, there are fraction ties. And I recently published a planner, so those of you who are in 4th grade and up, 4th grade, 5th, 6th, and 7th, even 8th, this planner is for you. You will get it. This little book, I call it my memory books. Sometimes we have ideas or things that we want to share, and we just don't want to forget about them. So this little book can be in your backpack or by your bed, on your nightstand, and you can write your notes, your memories, thoughts, feelings. Here, you're gonna get it. We have we have this play sand for you to play with your siblings during the free time. And so I will deliver this bag to your door, and when you open it, you will see all of the gifts. Not everything is for you, it's also for your siblings. So you're gonna have to share. It's gonna be based on the group age that I said. Approximately 3 to 5, first age group, 6 to 8, and 9 to 12 or 13. All right? Shana tova, a lot of atzlacha and simcha.